example up to 8. Now today we'll see example number 9. So here I have not written the whole example, but I have written some main points of the example. Okay, you can see this example in your textbook. Okay, now Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod, there are three partners and their capital ratio, here they have given capital ratio of partners, that is 4:2:3. It means they have not given their profit and loss ratio, they have given what? Capital ratio. Now Dhaval and Vinod has given assurance, assurance means guarantee, to Mukesh. It means Dhaval and Vinod has given guarantee to Mukesh. What kind of guarantee? So Mukesh will get minimum 35,000. Mukesh will get minimum how many? 35,000 rupees from the profit at any cost. Okay. Now the profit of the firm is rupees 90,000. The profit of the firm is rupees 90,000. Now this many information is given example. Now here there is no profit and loss ratio, so profit will be distributed among the partners in equal share. Equal share means 1:1:1. So if we divide this 90,000 equally among the partners, then each partner will get how many? 30,000. Each partner will get how many? 30,000. How? So 90,000 divided by 3. So 3 equal parts of 90,000. So each partner will get 30,000 profit from the firm. But it was assured by Dhaval and Vinod to Mukesh that he will receive minimum 35,000 from the profit. Dhaval and Vinod has given guarantee to Mukesh. Mukesh will get rupees 35,000 profit from the firm, but here Mukesh is getting 30,000. So deficit to Mukesh given by Dhaval and Vinod in their profit and loss ratio. Now here profit and loss ratio is not given, so they will distribute it equally. Equally means 5,000 into 1/2, so 2,500. 5,000 into 1/2, so 2,500. It means Dhaval and Vinod both will give 2,500 to the Mukesh. So in this case Mukesh will get 5,000 from Dhaval and Vinod. Now after this you have to show this table. You have to draw this table in your notebooks. Particulars Mukesh, Dhaval, Vinod and total rupees. Now first one, that is distribution of profit in profit and loss ratio, that is 1:1:1. And payable and receivable. So what is profit? We have calculated, that is 30,000. So 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, total is 90,000. Now the payable and receivable means who will receive amount from the firm and will give amount to the firm. So here Mukesh will receive 5,000 and Dhaval and Vinod will give 2,500 to Mukesh. So here actual distribution of profit, that is 30,000 plus 5,000, that is 35,000. 30,000 minus 2,500, that is 27,500. And 30,000 minus 2,500, that is 27,500. So here Mukesh will get 35,000, Dhaval will get 27,500 and Vinod will get 27,500 profit from the firm. Okay, so in this way we have to distribute the profit when any partners has given guarantee to other partners. Okay, now you have to note down this example in notebooks. First you have to show this calculation, after that this one and this one. Okay. Okay, now example number 10. So here the closing capital of Raghuveer is rupees 80,000. So here one partner's closing balance of capital is given, in which rupees 12,500 drawing of current year and profit of rupees 17,800 are recorded. It means in this 80,000, this drawing and this profit both are recorded. Okay, now what will be the interest at 6% per annum on the opening capital? So in this example we have to calculate interest on capital, and as we know interest on capital is always calculated on opening balance of capital. So here they have not given opening balance, they have given what? Closing balance. So how to find out opening balance of capital from the closing balance? So here we have to use this formula. Opening capital is equal to closing capital plus drawing minus profit. So whenever in example closing balance of capital is given and they ask to find out interest on capital, as we know interest on capital is always find out opening balance of capital. So first of closing capital is how many rupees? 80,000. That is given example. Then plus drawing. That is how many? 12,500. So total of these two is how many? 92,500 minus profit. That is how many? 17,800. So you will get opening balance of capital, that is 74,700. Now there is one question. Drawing is always minus from the capital and profit is always add in capital. But here in this example, when you have to find out opening balance of capital from the closing balance, in that case drawing is add and profit is minus. Remember, I repeat, whenever you have to find out opening balance of capital from the closing balance of capital, then you have to add drawing in capital and you have to minus profit from the capital, so that you will get opening balance of capital. Now we have opening balance of capital, that is 74,700. Now how to calculate interest on capital? So formula, opening capital into rate of interest on capital. So we have find out opening capital, that is 74,700, and in rate of interest on capital, that is given, that is 6% per annum. So 6 by 100. So you will get how many? 4,482. So IOC means what? Interest on capital. So interest on capital is 4,482. Okay. Now example number 11. Okay, I have not written whole example, but I have written some main points of the example. Okay. Now there are three partners, A, B and C. Their profit and loss ratio is given, that is 1:1:1. Means they are sharing their profit and loss in equal proportion. Then their total capital is given, that is how many? 4,50,000. Then their capital ratio. Capital ratio means what? Capital proportion. You can also say capital proportion. That is how many? 1:3:2. Then interest on capital, that is 9% per annum. It means firm will give 9% interest on capital to all partners on their capital. Then C received rupees 73,500 including interest and profit. It means Mr. C received total 73,500 including interest and profit. Then find out amount received by A and B. Means here we have to identify how many rupees received by Mr. A and Mr. B. Okay, so first of all we have to find out interest on capital. So before calculating interest on capital, we need capital, because they have given total capital of all partners. They have given total capital of all partners. We have to distribute this capital in the partners in their capital ratio. So what is their capital ratio? That is 1:3:2. So in this ratio we distribute this capital. So like Mr. A, capital of Mr. A, that is 4,50,000 into 1/6. So it, how many? 75,000. Now how it is 1/6? So share proportion of Mr. is 1 and total of this is 6. So 1/6. Now Mr. B, that is 4,50,000 into 3/6. So 2,25,000. And Mr. C, 4,50,000 into 2/6. That is 1,50,000. So these are capital of all partners. So Mr. A capital is how many? 75,000. Mr. B's capital is how many? 2,25,000. And Mr. C's capital is how many? 1,50,000. Now on the base of this capital we have to calculate interest. So how to calculate interest on capital? So first Mr. A. So capital of Mr. A is how many? 75,000 into 9/100. Why you have taken 9? Because this is what? Rate of interest on capital. This is given example. So 75,000 into 9/100. So it will be 6,750. Then B, 2,25,000 into 9/100. So 20,250. And C, 1,50,000 into 9/100. So that is 13,500. So this is what? Interest on capital, that is given to the partners by the firm. Now after this we have to draw this table. Here in this table there are 4 columns: particulars, A, B and C. Now first thing is what? Interest on capital. You have to write down first one, interest on capital, that we identify. See here. So 6,750, 20,250 and 13,500. Then divisible profit. That is not given example. We have to identify. That we see later on how to identify. Then after this, profit including interest on capital. Profit including interest on capital means profit and interest both. So here out of these three partners, Mr. C receive interest and profit, that is how many? 73,500. So we can write down here, C received 73,500 including interest and profit. Okay, so in this amount two things are there. First, interest on capital, and second, profit of the partners. So from this amount, if we minus interest on capital, so we'll receive profit. So from this 73,500 you minus 13,500, so you will receive how many? 60,000. It means profit of Mr. C is how many? 60,000, because this amount include two things, profit and interest. So interest we have identified. So from this total amount we minus interest, will get profit. Now here profit and loss ratio of all partners is equal. Equal means what? All partners will receive equal share of the profit. So here Mr. C receives 60,000. So same way Mr. A and Mr. B will also receive how many? 60,000 and 60,000, because their profit and loss ratio is equal. Now total amount received by partner A, profit and interest, that is how many? 66,750, and Mr. B, that is 80,250. So here we identify total amount received by partner A and partner B, that is 66,750 and 80,250. So when one partner's total amount is given, that is interest and profit, on the basis of this we have to find out another partner, then we have to do calculation this way. So first we have to find out what? Distribution of capital, then interest on capital, and then this format. Okay, so note down this example in notebook, and we have seen 11 example from this chapter. We have seen 11 example, and in board exam they will ask anyone from this 11. Okay, now we have done all these example. I have given also homework, and we'll do more practice also for this example. Okay, from next lecture we will start a new chapter. Okay, thank you.